From customers to employees and team members, interactions are a crucial asset in a successful business. And having a single tool that allows you to master all these experiences and communications will put you ahead of your competition. In today's video, we will show how you can master interactions using SurveySparrow, an online tool that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze customer interactions, delivering a great customer experience and increasing survey completion rates by 40%. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Whatever your requirements are, SurveySparrow has all the tools and alternatives you need. The platform helps you implement an ever-improving end-to-end experience management system. As a result, you can delight your audience by using simpler workflows and automation. Using powerful segmentation, contact management tools, or CSV files, you can easily view visitor participation and optimize your audience's experience, as well as access your favorite HR or CRM software from one place. It is possible to learn a great deal about your customers' preferences and priorities by using conversational forms. Using survey themes and customization, you can create stunning surveys. For example, incorporate an image or video as a background for your content. In addition, colors, fonts, button fills, and more can all be customized to create your surveys with a hefty dose of CSS. You can also ask more from your audience without doing the survey too long by using questions like matrix, drag and drop rank order, and so on. Besides, secure payment processing will be available for your online surveys. Thanks to its integration with SurveySparrow, Stripe encrypts and securely handles all of your customer data, allowing you to accept orders via conversational forms. You can use the skip and display logic tool to ask just relevant questions to your respondents. The rest of the material is either ignored or hidden. Using survey data, you can secure data collection that records responses when a respondent taps Submit in real time. With encryption, you can rest assured that your data is safe. Additionally, you will be able to compare and contrast the opinions expressed, find patterns and trends in your audience's behavior to understand them better, and connect the dots and decipher your customers' needs. All your answers can be organized in several ways, such as by question, answer, date, respondent, and more. In addition, each view can be saved and viewed later. You can also set the frequency of your surveys with your preferred day and time, and you will get the survey results delivered directly to your mailbox. The results of your surveys are available to you without even logging into your dashboard. When someone completes one of your surveys, you'll receive an email message right away. Besides, you can export your survey results as a PDF file to keep a backup by preserving a shared copy to conduct a thorough investigation and statistical analysis to make SPSS reports more accessible. Extending SurveySparrow's features is possible by using API, webhooks, and integrations. When you use the SurveySparrow API, you can combine your corporate systems like CRM, help desks, and internal communication platforms. SurveySparrow's webhooks allow you to communicate with any third-party application. For example, survey results can be sent to another program. Besides, many tools like Zapier, Auber, Facebook Pixel, Zendesk, HubSpot, Slack, and others can be integrated with SurveySparrow with a single button click without the need for API or webhooks. Did you see how you can master interactions using this software? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy SurveySparrow services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see what other interaction features are available with SurveySparrow. Using SurveySparrow, your payment forms will provide a secure means of collecting money and comments. You can collect payments from your replies with online payment forms, including payment questions and secure payment channels. You can also use a coupon code, and the addition of a dollar amount or % discount makes it simple to provide orders discounts and keep track of payments. Plus, all payments can be accepted using online forms in more than 13 different currencies. Finally, using the reporting module, you can verify the status of the payments you have received and keep track of them. SurveySparrow custom workflows allow you to translate feedback into actionable insights by assigning and automating real-time actions based on responses. You can set up a custom pipeline for all of the responses you've received so that they can proceed from submission to resolution promptly. There are various ways to customize your experience and schedule automation based on your chosen criteria. Furthermore, the route feedback can be automatically customized to include micro or macro actions to regulate crucial outcomes more effectively. Using SurveySparrow's custom workflows, you can deliver meaningful insights to everyone in your organization from the top down. If you can hear and comprehend what your clients are saying, you will better meet their needs at every touchpoint. SurveySparrow can help you better manage your audience by setting up many sub-accounts under one parent account. For example, you can create separate accounts for each agency's clients or each of your company's divisions. In addition, all payments can be simplified with a consolidated billing system for all sub-accounts. You can also use custom fields to create properties for contacts, such as job titles, ages, and hierarchy levels. You can make contact groups and sift responses using filters using this information. Besides CSV and Excel imports, popular technologies like Salesforce, HubSpot, Google Contacts, and Intercom can be used to retrieve your audience's contact information. In addition, you can use teams and folders to control access to your surveys. You will build teams, add members, and then make specific surveys visible to each group using the platform's survey organization features. You can raise, organize, prioritize, and resolve tickets, set different tasks in action, guarantee that every response is accounted for, and close the loop in style with the aid of the SurveySparrow case management function. You will be able to convert responses into and send them to the appropriate team members for rapid actions that will be seamless. If you'd like, you can also combine the responses from different surveys and feedback programs into one place similar to a mailbox. Your ticket resolution process will speed up when you can communicate with your customers directly in their email inboxes and coordinate with your team members and start discussions with them. Create amazing surveys and interactions using SurveySparrow by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.